Okay, good day students. How are you doing? This is me again, Sir Navera, and welcome to our YouTube channel. So today, in this video, we're going to continue with part 1 on how to rewrite quadratic functions from general to standard form. So this will be and vice versa as well. So this will be example number 2. So let's proceed. So the same formula will be used. Yeah. So the given is 2x squared minus 7, and then the a is 2, b is 0, and c is negative 7. So we're going to substitute these formulas to the formula. These values to the formula. So h equal to negative b over 2a. So basically that's b is 0, so negative 0 over 2 times a, which is 2. Negative 0 over 4, which is 0. And then for k, for ac minus b squared all over 4a. So 4 times 2 times negative 7 minus b squared, which is 0, all over 4 times 2, which is a. So the numerator will result to negative 56 over the denominator is 8. So if you divide that, you'll get negative 7. So now we have h as 0 and k is negative 7. So to get the standard form, so we simply substitute the a and our h, which is 0, and k is negative 7 to the formula. So a is 2 there, the h is 0, so yeah, x minus 0 square, then minus 7. So replace the plus k by negative 7. That's number 2. Let's proceed to number 3. So for number 3, again, it's even though it's not yet in the form ax squared plus bx plus c, so we have to, if it's not yet in that form, you can actually rewrite that. Negative 3x squared, and then plus x plus 4 y equal to that. Okay, so your a is negative 3, b is 1, c is 4. So now we substitute it to the formula h equal to negative b over 2a, which is negative 1 over 2 times negative 3, that is negative 6. So negative times negative, this one here, that is 1/6. And then 4ac minus b squared all over 4a for k. Now we multiply 4 times a, negative 3, and c, 4. So this is basically negative 48 there. So negative 1 square, negative quantity 1 square is negative 1 all over negative 12, because 4 times negative 3 is negative 12. So negative 49 and over negative 12, which is, if you try to cancel this one out, this becomes 49 over 12. So substituting the values of a, h, and k. A here is 3, negative 3, and then h is 1/6, and then k is 49 over 12. So a, negative 3, then h, so just substitute it there, 1/6 plus 49 over 12. Negative 3 quantity x minus 1/6 square plus 49 over 12. So number 4, 4x squared plus 5x. So substitute the values, a equal to 4, b equal to 5, and c equal to 0 in the formula. So basically in this part, same even though there are parts of the equation that are lacking, just put, if it's not present there, so just assume that just write whatever the part that is missing, equate it to 0. So here it's the constant that is 0. So basically we put it c is equal to 0. A is 4, b is 5. So again, substitute. Negative 5 over 2 times 4, that's negative 5 over 8. Then here 4 times 4 times 0 minus 5 square. This is actually 0 naman siya. Alright? So we proceed to negative 25 over 4 times 4, which is 16. So our h is negative 5 over 8 and k is equal to negative 25 over 16. So a is 4 months. So there we substitute. H is negative 5, 8. So negative here. Then substitute by negative, multiplied by negative 5, 8. So it becomes positive. Then this is positive. So this one is positive, so pag replace, it becomes minus 25 over 16. So all in all, for quantity x plus 5 over 8 square minus 25 over 16. Right? Okay, so now we already knew how to transform a quadratic function from general to standard form. What about if we try to do the reverse one? So from standard form to general form, right? So okay, so to do this task, simply follow the given steps. So expand the square of the binomial indicated in the function, and then if there is an existing or a is greater than 0, so greater than 1, then you must multiply the result by the value of a. After multiplying, you combine all the similar terms, right? Then let's try with this following examples. So transform to general form. So the given is f of x equal to a quantity x minus 3 square plus 7. So yeah, just like what is said in the step, in the step, we simply expand this square of binomial. So if you try to expand this using the pattern or the FOIL method, then the result will x squared minus 6x plus 9 plus 7. So you can actually use FOIL method or the pattern for the square of binomial. So in this part, since it's already expanded, so we and then the value of a is 1, so there's nothing to multiply. Alright, so we now combine the like terms. So 9 plus 7, which is 16. So this is now the general form. F of x equal to x squared minus 6x plus 16. Right, let's go to the next example. We have f of x equal to negative bracket x minus parenthesis quantity minus 5 bracket square plus 50. Okay, so you still have to, the first step on this kind of example is you have to simplify first whatever is expressed in the square of binomial. So in this part here, you have to multiply the negative sign so that it becomes positive, right? So negative 2 quantity x plus 5 square plus 50. After arriving this, so we have to expand the binomial. So x squared plus 10x plus 25. So basically, since a is negative 2, you have to multiply the a on all terms inside the parenthesis. So to multiply that one, we have negative 2x squared minus 20x minus 50 plus 50. Just because the last one you just have to copy that one. Okay, and then moving on, we now subtract these two or combine these two. So this is actually 0. Then therefore our standard general form is negative 2x squared minus 20x. Second to the last example, y equal to 5 quantity x plus 4 square, quantity square minus 3. So again, expand the binomial, square of binomial. So x squared plus 8x plus 16. So since a is greater than 1, you have to multiply it to all the terms inside the parentheses. So that becomes 5x squared plus 5 times 8, that's 40x, and then 5 times 16, that's positive 80. Multiply, and then minus 3. So basically, after multiplying 5, you subtract or combine the like terms. So 80 minus 3, that's 77. So therefore, our general form of y equal to 5, quantity x plus 4 square is minus 3 is 5x squared plus 40x plus 77. Okay, last example. Y equal to negative 3/4 quantity x minus 2 square plus 9. So expand the square of binomial. So x squared minus 4x plus 4. Negative 3/4 quantity x squared minus 4x plus 4. Outside is plus 9. Then we multiply the negative 3/4. So after multiplying negative 3/4, this will be the result. If you noticed, there is no other fractions, because if you try to multiply this here, what will happen to the denominator? So basically it will be cancelled, and considering the negative sign outside the parentheses, so negative times negative, that's positive. Alright, negative times positive, that's negative. Okay, so if you notice that the sign here was changed, no, after multiplying. So y equal to negative 3/4 x squared plus 3x minus 3 plus 9. So now we combine the like terms. 9 minus 3 is 6. So the general form is y equal to negative 3/4 x squared plus 3x plus 6. I guess that will be all. Thank you and God bless. If you have questions, you may comment to the comment section, and yeah.